coldest place human beings have ever chosen to call home.
He walked out of the Ice Age and into a world that had forgotten him. He has been walking days, a woolly mammoth's footprint in Siberian snow. No human alive has seen this, not for 10,000 years.
He sees the light. Something in 10,000 years of cold memory knows what warmth means. Wood smoke. Fire.
She set 2 balls again tonight. She does this sometimes. She does not know why she still does it.
150 meters. His legs are forgetting what they are for.
He falls. The oldest animal in the world falls in the snow. Like every small thing.
What is it? I've never seen anything like it. It's not moving. I don't know what it is, but I have to go.
60 seconds from window to door. 4 winters alone taught her that 60 seconds is the difference.
A woolly mammoth, dying in the snow outside her door. She presses the pendant her grandmother carved and she runs.
She looks into his eye. She has looked into dying eyes before.
She speaks to him in the old language, the language her people used before there were words for fear. She cannot bring the fire to him, so she will bring him to the fire.
Rise! Rise with me! You can do this!
A deep, ancient rumble responds.
He stands. She was not sure he would. He was not sure either.
Come.
She does not know his name yet. She calls him, come, come, good, come. It is enough.
Come, here, come.
He is too large for her world. She makes her world larger.
Держись, милый. Этот тебе поможет. Теперь тебе будет теплее, мой друг. Держись.
She burns her winter fuel without hesitation. She will collect more wood tomorrow. Tonight, he needs the heat.
At midnight, the storm eases. The woman and the mammoth breathe together through the cabin wall. Both still alive, both still here.
She sleeps more deeply than she has in 4 years. She does not know why. Something in her body knows she is not alone. He is still there. She opens her eyes inside and through the window sees him waiting. She puts on her coat.
In the morning light, she sees what the blizzard is.
He eats everything she brought. He looks at her for more. She goes inside and brings more. She does this 4 times.
She had forgotten what it felt like to stand beside something, to not face the horizon alone.
His trunk is warm. She had forgotten that living things are warm.
3 days pass, he stays. She stops being surprised that he stays.
She shows him where the river is. He shows her she had forgotten how to walk beside something without hurrying. Look at this.
She laughs. She does not know how long it has been since she laughed until she hears herself doing it.
Siberia has not changed. They have changed inside it. She has watched 58 northern lights. This is the first one she has not watched alone.
Under her hand love, his heartbeat. Slow, enormous, ancient, real.
She writes, on the coldest night of my life, the warmest thing walked out of the ice age and lay down against my wall.
Inside, against the wall, come. The second storm comes. He does not run from it. He knows where to be.
She is not afraid of the storm anymore. She knows what is on the other side of the wall.
He's clearing the path for us. He knew just what to do. We'll have this cleared in no time, won't we?
Mama, we're here!
What is that?
Stay still. Open your hand. He will come to you.
Oh.
Your daughter will tell this story for the rest of her life.
All right, smile, everyone.
Oh my God, Vera, he's beautiful. Ready?
It is turning. It is always turning.
The woman who survived everything alone. The mammoth who crossed 10,000 years to find one door with a light in it.
Hurnge saun tere.